Hello all, welcome to the TestNG Testing Framework course. In this one, we'll go over what topics are covered in this course. You will also learn what are you going to achieve from this course and see how this course is the right one for you. So let's go over it. I have created this very small presentation for you, so we'll go from it. Let's first talk about the topics. We'll start from the very basics, the scratch. So even if you don't have a Java environment setup, you will learn it. So we'll start from Java environment setup. Then we'll set up our TestNG framework, the plugins and the jar files. And then we'll talk about TestNG annotations. And then we'll learn about hard and soft assertions. Yes, there are soft assertions in TestNG. Then we'll talk about how we can run a complete test suite together. Then we'll see how we can prioritize our test methods. And we'll also learn the concepts of dependent test methods. And then we'll see how do we disable and time out the test methods. Then on the right side, we'll talk about how do we group the related test methods in one way. And this one, the next one is very important. We'll talk about how do we provide test data from external XML files. And these are TestNG XML files. It's very important so that we do not have to hard code the test data in test methods. And then we'll see how do we run test methods parallelly, and we'll not just see test methods, we'll see how do we run test classes parallelly or even the test tags of the XML files parallelly. And then we'll talk about one very interesting topic, and that one is known as data providers. Data providers is a really interesting topic, and it's very helpful because it enables us to run same test methods from different set of data. So we can write one test method and run it with different set of input data. It's very interesting. And then we'll finally talk about TestNG listeners, TestNG reporter and logs. And ultimately, we'll see how TestNG helps us to generate the HTML reports without us doing anything. So there are a lot of topics, and I have not mentioned each and every topic here. You can go over the curriculum to see everything, but these are the main highlights. And by the time you finish this course, I can guarantee you that you'll be very comfortable using TestNG testing framework. Let's talk about some frequently asked questions. Usually people wonder, is this course for beginners? Yes, definitely it is. I built this course for beginners. I was also a beginner once, right? And I know how difficult it is to collect comprehensive information from all different places like YouTube and several blogs. So, but with this course, you'll find everything under one roof. You don't have to jump around here and there. Second question is how much Java is needed. As this is about automation framework development, some knowledge of Java concepts is expected. After all, you will be developing the automation framework. But don't worry, you don't need to be an expert in Java to take this course. A simple and basic understanding of Java is really good enough. The next one is what about the reference material? So all the reference material, including code files, are provided and already attached to each and every lecture. So you don't have to ever worry about them. You don't have to wander around. You can just directly download them from the lectures. What about the online support? This is one very important thing. This is one thing that I always want to assure to all of my students, that I collaborate really well with everyone taking my courses, not just this course, any of my courses. You can be assured that you'll always get a flying response from me within 24 hours. And we have to keep 24 hours time buffer because we all may be in different time zones, right? But usually it is way faster than that. And you can see one of a different lecture where I talked about how you can reach me and where you can find the reference material. So that's about it. I'll see you everyone in the course, and you will have a great experience. Thanks for taking this one, and thank you.